Here we have a problem that asks us to compute the indicated value, or compute the sum indicated, and simplify your answer. So we have 2/3 plus 3/6 plus 4/18. Same process as before in previous videos. We find the LCD. Okay. Now, granted, we've only done the LCD on 2 fractions, but here we're going to do it on 3 fractions. Yet the process is still the same. So we find the times tables for 3, 6, and 18. So for 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, and so on. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, and so on. 18, 36, 54, 72, and so on. Yes, I had to use a calculator for that one. So to figure out the least common denominator is the smallest number that all 3 lists have in common. In this case, the smallest number that all 3 of them have in common would be 18. So 18 would be your least common denominator. So step 2, rewrite all of your fractions using that common denominator. So 2/3 is something over 18. 3/6 is something over 18. And 4/18 is something over 18. So the number that would go on the top here using previous processes, previous examples, well, 3 times 6 gets you 18. So 2 times 6 gets you 12. 6 times 3 is 18. 3 times 3 is 9. 18 times 1 is 18. 4 times 1 is 4. So now we just add up the fractions that we have now. So we have 12/18 plus 9/18 plus 4/18, which would give us 25/18 for a final answer. Now, like I said, we're using processes that we've done in previous problems. So a lot of mathematics built up to this. So that's why it's very important to understand we find the least common denominator, we rewrite our fractions using the LCD, and then we add the fractions at the very end and reduce if need be.